What is the perfect closing gift for your clients? Not as easy as it sounds. This is Ron Wojciechowski for Real Estate in a Nutshell, and I've been getting more questions about what do we do for closing gifts for the clients. Let's take it a couple of ways. You absolutely could get some swag for your team, your branding, your brokerage, maybe a beach bag, frisbee, I don't know, pens, pencils, t-shirts. That's all cool stuff, especially if it's like beachwear or something like that they might use and happens to have your logo on it. It's definitely one identifier, and a lot of agents do it, and there's nothing wrong with that. Matter of fact, it's probably a good thing. Now, there's also the other side of the fence. It's like, all right, well, what about non-branded stuff? Something personal to the client. If you're doing it right, you are probably forming a relationship during the sales process with your client. And if you're listening closely, you're probably learning something about them. They might like dogs. They might like a certain brand of coffee or a certain kind of meal, or maybe some wine or coffee or chocolate. And if you're paying close enough attention, what you could do is purchase something for them that they might be purchasing on a regular basis. That would be easy. But what if it's something that they might not buy for themselves, even though they like it? And along those lines, let's say that they like wine, but maybe there's a bottle they just haven't gotten around to buying. It isn't always about the cost of it, it's the fact they just haven't gotten around to it. Maybe that's a good gift for them. Maybe they love chocolates. Maybe there's a chocolate tour, a place where they make the chocolates. Just think a little bit more about what is important to them that would be truly, truly remarkable experience for them at the end of a great sales process. It doesn't have to be hard, but the cautionary tale is, if they like wine, go a little deeper, white or red, because buying a Chardonnay for somebody that likes Cabernet isn't the best closing gift. It's probably going to actually get re-gifted. So think about your clients, explore the process, and just let casual conversation rule the day. I would say, so if I was getting you a closing gift, what would you like? Probably not the way to do it. I think if you're listening, what's truly remarkable at the closing is you walk up with something like, wow, that's really cool. I love these. I was meaning to get these. That would be a really good connection and a great moment for you. I might just get you a review. Hope this helped you out. Definitely subscribe. Keep the comments coming. Appreciate the support and all the follows. This is Ron Wojciechowski for Real Estate in a Nutshell.